In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change phone number Proton Mail. Keeping your recovery phone number current is essential because it's what Proton uses to help you reset your password and verify your identity if you ever get locked out. I'll walk you through exactly where to find this setting and how to update it confidently. Start from your Proton Mail inbox. Look to the top right of the screen for the toggle settings icon. It sits in the toolbar and opens a compact panel with quick options. Go ahead and open that panel, then choose All Settings. This moves you out of the quick panel and into the full settings area where account level controls live. Inside the full settings, navigate to the recovery section. This page gathers everything related to how you get back into your account if you forget your password. You'll see the password reset options area, which lists the available recovery methods. That's exactly where Proton groups phone-based recovery. Next, select SMS verification. This opens the page dedicated to managing your recovery phone number. Here, you can remove the existing number and add the new one. When entering a new number, make sure the correct country code is selected and that the number can receive text messages. After you add it, Proton will send a verification code by SMS. Enter that code to confirm the change. If the code doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment and use the resend option. Avoid requesting too many codes in a short time, and never share verification codes with anyone. If you're switching carriers or traveling, confirm that SMS is working before you make the change to prevent getting stuck mid-process. Once verified, you'll see the new number listed as your SMS recovery method. That's your confirmation the update is complete. If anything looks off, return to the SMS verification page and edit the number again. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Proton Mail recovery phone number, keeping your account easier to recover and more secure.